There's no doubt that working with metal has its challenges, but at Euromac, we're committed to helping both large and small shops eliminate one of them: the challenge of producing prototypes and short runs cost-effectively. So we've developed a comprehensive series of high-quality, affordable machines designed to help you notch, bend, shear, and punch your way to better productivity. This video will demonstrate the benefits of Euromac's family of multi-purpose hydraulic notching machines. Naturally, the primary purpose of any notcher is to cut notches in sheet metal. At Euromac, we offer several notcher models, all of which are built to accomplish this task with the utmost precision. Our most affordable notchers are our fixed angle notchers. These notchers provide fast, easy notching at a static 90-degree angle. Operating these notchers is very simple. First, the operator sets the left and right table stops. In this example, we'll set up a 1-inch corner notch. Then he simply locates the material, presses the electronic foot pedal, and the notcher does all the work. But Euromac fixed angle notchers do much more than simple corner notches. By readjusting the table stops, it's possible to execute many different notching operations. As an example, let's square off the corners of the notches we just made, as you would in creating a C-frame panel. The operator adjusts the left and right table stops using the pin adjusting system. Then he positions the stops using the convenient table scales. Now he's ready to cut. Once again, the Euromac notcher makes fabrication fast and simple. Our variable angle notchers offer all the capabilities of our fixed angles, plus the ability to infinitely adjust the angle of the notch from 30 degrees all the way up to 140 degrees. Here's how the notch angle is adjusted. We'll start with a 90-degree angle, as you would have with the fixed angle notchers we just saw. Now let's set the blades to produce a 30-degree notch. First, the operator unlocks the blades using this switch on the control panel. Then he turns the adjustment crank on each side, moving the blades to their new position, until he reaches the 15-degree marks on these scales. Finally, he locks the blades and he's ready to notch at a 30-degree angle. Now let's reset the machine to create a 140-degree notch. Again, we unlock the blades, set the angle adjustments to 70 degrees on each side, lock the blades, and we're ready to notch a 140-degree angle. As you can see, Euromac's variable angle notchers take the labor and guesswork out of creating notches with unusual angles, even asymmetrical angles. This feature is especially useful for creating products that include bends that are at angles other than right angles. Notching is a valuable, productive operation, and our Euromac fixed angle and variable angle notchers get the job done accurately and reliably. But at Euromac, our engineers didn't stop there. They went on to create our innovative multi-notchers. We added a second multi-purpose workstation to the rear of the machine. By taking advantage of the downward thrust already built into every notcher, our multi-models provide a whole new set of flexible capabilities in a compact, convenient package. Now let's see exactly what our multis can do. They can bend metal up to 415 millimeters long and 6 millimeters thick. They can cut rectangular slots in materials up to 4 millimeters thick. They can also punch round, square, and shaped holes up to 40 millimeters in diameter. And they can even cut any radius from 3 through 15 millimeters in materials up to 6 millimeters thick. The rear station can even be used as a 20-ton hydraulic press, making this machine one of the most versatile workstations to be found anywhere. In short, the multi-notcher excels as an extra workstation for producing short runs and prototypes. Now let's look at some more exclusive features that make Euromac notchers the best value on the market today. First is our patented automatic blade gap adjustment. With this innovation, you can concentrate on more productive things than adjusting blades. Whether you're cutting thin gauge materials or heavy gauge materials, you'll never need to waste time adjusting the blade gap, because the notcher will read the thickness of the material and set the clearance for you, automatically and instantly. This also saves material because you'll never need to waste a few pieces trying to get the correct blade adjustment. Euromac notchers are the industry's easiest notchers to set up and use, and that means your operators will save time in training, in setup, and in operation, and that saves you money. Think of the time you'll save in blade adjustment alone. Euromac notchers can go from cutting heavy gauge steel to cutting paper with absolutely no adjustments. And regardless of the material thickness, the cut is always practically burr-free. Another quality feature is our Meonite monoblock steel casting. Meonite is well known for its high density and exceptional strength, and our monoblock design puts these qualities to work. The difference in the final product is significant. Euromac notchers are more durable, more dependable, and more accurate than any other notcher available. In fact, we warranty the structure of every Euromac notching machine for 5 years. Another important Euromac feature is our 3-guide cutting system, which uses 3 internal guides for maximum rigidity. This provides outstanding cutting accuracy and also extends blade life. For added productivity, Euromac has developed optional disappearing stops. By using a set of these stops, you can make a second cut while the material is still in the operator's hands. This can speed up production significantly. Every Euromac notcher also includes these quality features. High-pressure workpiece holders, which hold material securely for optimal cutting quality. An easy-to-use pin-registered clamping system with fixed stops at 15-degree intervals. A sturdy supplemental clamping system for longer production runs and for cutting heavy plate. A cutting stroke adjuster for effortlessly setting the stroke length to allow for the fastest possible production. Easy-to-read multiple scales, which allow fast, error-free setting of the table guides at various angles. A productive cutting extension feature, which extends the length of linear cuts far beyond the actual blade length. An ergonomically designed offset control panel for maximum operator productivity and safety. A reliable electronically activated foot switch. And a jogging setting, which enables the operator to check settings by jogging the hydraulic action of the notcher head in small increments. Now let's quickly review the Euromac notcher models. First, the fixed angle notchers. Our 200x4 offers fixed 90-degree angle notching in materials up to 4 millimeters thick. The 200x6 provides the same capabilities but handles up to 6 millimeter metal. Our 250x6 provides cutting blades that are 25% longer, enabling the notching of larger workpieces. Next, the variable angle notchers. Our 220x4 variable angle notcher provides notching of any angle from 30 degrees up to 140 degrees in mild steels up to 4 millimeters. Our 220x6 provides the same capabilities, but can handle up to 6 millimeter mild steel. And finally, the multi-notchers. Our 200x6 multi-notcher is a fixed angle notcher with a multi-purpose rear working station. It can handle up to 6 millimeter mild steel. Our 220x6 multi-notcher is a variable angle notcher with a multi-purpose rear working station. It can also handle up to 6 millimeter mild steel. So if your operation could use a notching machine that's versatile, accurate, powerful, durable, easy to set up, and easy to use, consider the benefits of a high-quality, high-value Euromac notcher. Call your authorized Euromac distributor or contact Euromac to arrange a personal demonstration of these and other quality Euromac machines and discover how Euromac can help you position your business a notch above your competition.